3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If Path of Exile 2 is crashing your PC, there are several effective steps to fix the issue. First, ensure no background applications are running by pressing QITO plus Shift plus S to open the Task Manager. From there, identify unnecessary background tasks, right-click on them, and choose End Tasks. Also, force close Steam from the Task Manager. Next, run both Steam and Path of Exile 2 as administrators by right-clicking their icons and selecting Run as administrator. After that, in Steam, locate Path of Exile 2 in your library, right-click it, go to Properties, navigate to Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files to ensure no files are missing or corrupted. Additionally, update your operating system by going to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than Windows Update and selecting Check for Updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC. Lastly, ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. To do this, right-click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to update to the latest version. Once all these steps are complete, restart your PC and relaunch the game to check if the issue has been resolved.